When you start a research project, it is important to have a good research question. Your question should be narrow enough that you don't find too much information, and at the same time it should be broad enough so that you find enough. A research question should not be easily answered by a yes or no or a short statement, and it should be open-ended. Here's an example of a properly worded research question. Notice that the question is written so that I could write an 8 to 10 page paper on this topic. After creating a research question, the next step in the research process is to figure out the keywords in the question. When you use a search tool such as Google, the library catalog, or Academic Search Premier, you don't want to type in your full research question. This could confuse the search tool. Instead, use keywords from your question. These are the nouns or major words in your question. In addition to using keywords, keep in mind some synonyms. Sometimes, other individuals may use closely related words to describe what you are looking for. These related words are synonyms. If you need help figuring out synonyms, use a thesaurus. After we know our keywords and have some synonyms, we can throw them together in a search statement. Depending on the tool you are using, your search statement may use a single keyword or all your keywords. If you are using more than one keyword, it is important to connect them using operators. Boolean operators can be used to connect words together into a search statement. These operators are the words and, or, not. If you put and between two words or a phrase, then it will tell the tool that it needs to find both of these words or phrases in the search results. This will narrow your search, or tells the search tool that you want to find results with either word. This will broaden your search results. If you are using the Boolean OR operator, along with other phrases or keywords, make sure that you put parentheses around the OR statement. Just like in math, this separates the portion of the statement out from the rest of the search statement. Not tells the tool to look for articles that exclude the word following the not operator. Note that in most searches, it is best to avoid using not as it may remove helpful search results. If you want to search for a phrase, put the words in quotation marks. This tells the tool to look at all of those words together. Note that in most cases, it doesn't do anything when you put quotation marks around a single word. This may also hinder your search depending on the tool you are using. When you do a search, remember that there is a lot of trial and error involved. Now that you know the basics, try different search statements until you get the results you want. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If you have any questions or are struggling to find the sources you are looking for, ask a librarian at your local public or academic library.